So I think I would lean toward that it's alternate realities, but scientists often explain deja vu as like a neural misfire. They'd say that the brain mistakenly files a new experience as a memory. But if the multiverse exists, and I believe that it does, obviously, then these misfires could actually be glimpses of those other lived lives bleeding into our consciousness. In other words, what I'm saying is, I would say that our consciousness informs our brain activity and not the other way around. So if it is scientifically proven that there are these misfires in our brain when that occurs, then I would just say, yeah, it's just the outflow of that consciousness.